Welcome, and thanks for clicking on the link to learn more about our course and to learn more about some of the opportunities open to our students. Hi, my name is Etta Denise, and I am the National Training Manager at H&R Block Australia. Millions of tax returns are lodged across Australia each year, and H&R Block leads the way by preparing more of them than any other company. Our H&R Block income tax course is the first step to becoming a tax professional. Our course will equip you with the knowledge and the skills required to professionally prepare tax returns and foster connections that extend far beyond preparing the tax return. But first of all, who are H&R Block? Well, founded in 1955 by brothers Henry and Richard Block in Kansas City, USA, the business quickly grew into a multinational company and started operations in Australia in 1971. Today in Australia alone, we have over 400 offices, mainly company owned and run, as well as around 20 franchises. Each year we serve over 740,000 clients, offering face-to-face, online and telephone appointments. As you can see, our award-winning services include individual and company tax return services, bookkeeping preparation services, trusts and self-managed super funds. And we also have a US expat service team located in Sydney. Did you know that H&R Block is the largest service provider for tax preparation services in the world? So now you know who we are. In this presentation, I'm going to focus on our income tax course and provide you some information while you're deciding if this is the right course for you. Our course is great for people who want to learn more, or enhance their current understanding of taxes, and to skillfully prepare and maximize income tax refunds. Yay, who doesn't want that? The course focuses on individual taxpayers, including investors and sole traders. This year, we have more choices than ever before. Our instructor-led courses are the most popular, and this year we are running both 15-week courses and 9-week courses. Both are available in either a face-to-face location or, if you prefer, online. Both the face-to-face and online 15-week courses start the week commencing the 20th of February. If that's the choice that suits you best, you'd be required to attend 1 2.5-hour workshop each week. You get to select your preferred location, time, and day when you register. In addition, you'll have e-learning modules and assignments to complete each week. And we also recommend setting aside an average of 10 hours a week for study. If the 9-week instructor-led intensive course is your preference, it's a great option for anyone who can commit to attending weekly workshops, but those workshops are 4 hours each week. Again, you get to select your preferred location, time, and day on registration. And you'll also have those e-learning modules and assignments to complete each week. And we probably recommend setting aside an average of 12 hours of self-study each week. The intensive course commences the week starting the 2nd of April. Additionally, all of our instructor-led workshops are lessons taught by hand-picked H&R tax professionals, and that allows them to provide hands-on experience via interactive and professional tax prep exercises. Instructor-led courses are the way to go if you're interested in applying for work with H&R Block at the end of the course. Hey, but if you're not interested in any employment opportunities with us, then the self-paced learning option is probably your better option. With the self-paced learning option, all the content is the same, but you don't need to attend weekly workshops. So regardless of which option you choose, you're still learning the same theory. Our income tax course is industry recognised and provides training not only to potential H&R Block employees, but also to employees of some of the top financial and accounting institutions in the country for CPD hours and for professional development. So, regardless of which option you choose, the course materials and structure have all been created so that whether you have prior knowledge about taxes or you're a first-time learner, the learning process is easy to follow and to learn. Do you need to have prior knowledge of tax to do the course? Absolutely not. Just enjoy learning and be good with numbers. On the screen is a full list of the topics that will be covered. The beauty of our course design is that each module not only introduces a new topic, but each module allows students to consolidate their learning from all previous topics covered with practical explanations and practical applications. All students will have access to our learning management system where all the e-learning content will be available for you to access. And that includes short demonstration and explanation videos that complement the reading. Then at the end of each topic, there's also a short assignment that you need to complete as well. Being a tax professional is about more than just maximising tax return outcomes. It's about building relationships and making a real impact. We understand that your journey here may be driven by various aspirations, but whether you're semi-retired, a parent returning or re-entering the workforce, maybe you're pursuing a second income, considering changing career, or an accounting student seeking experience and qualifications. Our course offers a world of opportunities. With over 400 offices nationally, we offer plenty of opportunity for freedom, flexibility that meets that work-life balance that we are all searching for these days. And extra earnings that you may not find in a typical 9-to-5 job. So if you love numbers and helping people and are interested in earning income as a casual part-time or seasonal tax consultant, our instructor-led income tax course options are definitely for you. As an industry leader, each year H&R Block trains hundreds of people looking for a new career or flexible work that fits perfectly with their lifestyle and become tax consultants. After successfully completing any of the instructor-led course options, not only will you be set to prepare your own tax return and maximise your refund, but you may also be interested in taking it a step further as a paid career. So every student registered into one of our instructor-led courses will get an exclusive opportunity to submit an expression of interest during the course. During the workshops, each class will also be visited by our local area managers. So you'll also have an opportunity to ask more questions when they visit your class. So who are we looking for? Top graduates, of course. So committing to successfully completing the course is your first priority. Definitely, we're looking for people who have excellent communication and people skills and are also pretty proficient with computers as well. We are also looking to recruit new associates who have reasonable and regular availability, especially during June through to October. And some flexibility and availability would also be great. You see, during our tax season, our branches are opened extended hours on weekdays, and we're also open on Saturday mornings. Many of our associates return year on year, and every year we provide ongoing associates with professional development training at no cost, so they can continue to develop their expertise. In addition, we also have a graduate offer. Now, our graduates who go through and work for H&R Block and maintain their availability throughout our tax season period can have their course fee fully refunded at the end of August. This opportunity is available to instructor-led course students only, and it's a way of us saying thank you for completing the course and starting work with us. So we do have some other offers, and this year we are also offering placements for up to 100 applicants to attend our 15-week instructor-led course with the full fee waived as part of our regional scholarship program. As you can see on the screen, there are many locations on offer. So if you reside in or near any of these locations, jump onto our website and submit an application. You only have until the 31st of January to do so. So hurry. To be successful in your application, you're going to need to meet the following criteria. You will be required to commit to completing the course, including the 2.5-hour weekly workshops in the same regional location as your application. You also need to have strong both written and verbal English communication skills, and have completed a higher school certificate or an equivalent qualification, or be able to demonstrate prior work experience or education qualifications if you're not a current school leaver. If you're successful at the end of the course, you also need to be willing to work as a tax consultant with H&R Block in the same regional location and work flexible hours, including some nights or weekends during our tax season. You also can't be working as a tax consultant or a tax agent for any other company to qualify. So here's another opportunity. When registering into any of our instructor-led options, you may also be eligible to receive a $100 gift card by referring a friend or two or three or four to join you on your study journey. You see, we know that having a friend complete the course with you is not only more enjoyable, but can also significantly improve your learning outcomes and the chances of success. So after you have registered yourself into our course, you can return to our website at any time and just submit your friends' details, and then just leave the rest to us to get in contact with them. So registrations for our 2024 intake are now open, and some classes are already showing as sold out. The course fee is only $399, and that includes all your online learning materials, including bonus academic version of our tax software. Plus, the fee is tax deductible to all students. And if you register by the 8th of January and enter the code on the screen, early24, at the checkout, you'll receive an additional 20% discount off the fee. So go on, scan the QR code on the screen and register today or to find out more. So I want to wrap up this presentation today by telling you my personal H&R Block story so far. As you can see on the screen is my timeline and my journey with H&R Block to date. In 1997, I was a stay-at-home mum. I had 3 very young children, and I saw an advertisement in the local paper for the H&R Block income tax course. I had been home for a few years and thought this would be interesting, so I registered into the local class, which, let's be honest, gave me escape from the 3 very young kids once a week, and never thinking this was going to become my next career step. So before that, before starting my family, I worked in the CBD in an accounting and human resource field. I loved talking to people, and I was pretty switched on with numbers. But with a young family, I couldn't commit to returning to work full time, let alone the daily travel commute into the city. But then, after successfully completing the course I applied for, and I was offered a job at my local H&R Block office, working flexible hours so I could work and be a mum. Over the years, as the children grew older, I felt I was ready to apply for other opportunities within the company. And over the years, my new career evolved. As you can see, I've just completed my 27th tax season with H&R Block, and I plan to be here for a few more years yet. So like me, opportunities and doors could open for you too. Your first step is to register for our course. So go on, last chance to scan that QR code, and maybe you too could be part of our 2024 team. Thanks for your time, everyone, and thanks for watching.